It's a big learning opportunity, and that's what excites me the most.
The workshop to me gives me focused information. In fact, I've paid for 3 workshops. I was here yesterday, today, and I'll be here on Friday.
The presenters, the facilitators have been very engaging. The crowd, the panelists, all of us seem to be very engaged with what's going on.
They're hands-on. You have opportunities to choose sessions that have labs. You're going to be learning. You're going to be talking with others while you're learning. So I think it's worth the investment.
I want to dig in. I want to learn more, and I want to take a dive and see if there's anything there that I haven't explored.
What they're doing is such short amount of time, providing us with all the tools and tips to actually help and benefit us in our own work environment is just awesome. This workshop that I'm doing today, the shortcuts, the tips, the in-depth detail that they're elaborating on is just providing me with so much information that I'm going to be able to take back with me. So